This is how we cut a carrot cake. You need three things. You need a sharp knife, you need hot water, and you need steady hands. Well, and a towel to wipe your knife after each cut. After each cut, you gotta dip the water in some hot, dip the knife in some hot water. And then always clean, get the knife real quick, get the knife. Shake it off, clean the knife, right to the cut. So carrot cake's a little tricky because it's got the nuts and the raisins. So you can't just push through the carrot cake. You gotta actually cut the cake. If you just push it, then the cake will fall apart in between. We don't want that. Always wet the knife, always clean the knife.